Yeah, this is a patient of 5 years old, Sai Saket. He has autism with hyperactivity and delayed language. They are coming from Hyderabad and he is on G therapy since August 2010. And within 6 months he has shown very good improvement. Let us see what the mother wants to say.
Saket was diagnosed with autism when he was around 2.5 years old. After diagnosis, they asked me to put him on a CFGF diet, which really did not benefit in his case. And I've been to a lot of doctors in Hyderabad. Most of them have told me that either there is no treatment or I have to try out therapies which did not assure any positive result. I was referred, in fact, by a patient's mother here, whose son had Down syndrome, who had drastically improved.
What improvements you have seen in Saket?
In Saket, I mean, initially when he was diagnosed with autism, he could not understand anything. He was very hyperactive. Saket. He was very hyperactive. He was very aloof. He never bothered about the world around him. He never sat in one place. He could not speak. Barely one word. That was very rare. He could not express himself.
Now he can speak?
He can speak. He can join 2-3 words. To make a sentence, he can express himself. Saket, chappal emaindi? Ekar padindi chudu.
Yeah.
He asks for things he needs. He tries to express himself. He understands what I'm trying to say. If I ask him to pick up something, he gets it back to me. He follows simple commands. He's able to write on his own till G. He's able to write numbers. He identifies colors, shapes, animals. Normal items which we use on a day-to-day basis, a lot of stuff. ఇగో అక్కడ చేంజ్ ఉన్నాడు నమస్తే పెట్టురా అక్కడ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు చూడు అందులో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు చూడు ఎలిఫెంట్ ఉంది చూడు అక్కడ చూడు.
Okay, are you happy with the treatment?
Yeah, he's in fact improved a lot in 6 months, and I just hope he does very well in the future also.
Okay, right.
E, very good. E అయిపోయింది 2 times. ఈ తర్వాత తర్వాత వెరీ గుడ్. తర్వాత okay. I've not given him any kind of training at home. It was only what he saw at school. He never saw. Chalu. Tiyadu atla. Uncle choose ago camera.
Thank you. Say thank you to him.
Thank you. Thank you, Saket. Chappu. Everadi. Who is that? Who is that, Chappu?
Who is that? Saket. Hi, Manju.
Very good. Very good.
చాలు ఇంకా చాలు రాసింది ట్రైనర్. ఏమంటది ఎలిఫెంట్ చెప్పు. ఎవరది? క్యామెల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. క్యామెల్ ఉంది అక్కడ. క్యామెల్ ఏది? క్యామెల్. వెరీ గుడ్. అట్లా అంటదా. ఇంకా పీకాక్ కూడా ఉంది. పీకాక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడు. పీకాక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడు. పైన చూడు. పీకాక్ అట్లా అంటదా.
Bye Saket.
బాయ్ చెప్పు అంకుల్ కి. బాయ్ చెప్పు. సాకేత్ ఫిష్ ఏమంటది చెప్పు. అక్కడ అంకుల్ కి చెప్పు. ఫిష్ ఏమంటది? అట్లా అంటదా.
Okay, we will take some writing in that room.